Guys, good afternoon. I'm here in Cornish Beach, Abu Dhabi. Welcome to my vlog. It's a windy today, that's why the water is sweeping. The water is sweeping. That side is the Mina Port Abu Dhabi. That side. There is the cruise ship, the fisherman boat, and the other side, marina mo. See, that side is a marina. Kalidia Palace there. It's windy today. The sun's still hot, but it's so windy. The wind is cold. I'll go out early so that I can see the sunset when the sun goes down. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. It's a family day. Enjoy your day with your family, guys. So this is our bird. But it's if I in front of the sun, I cannot see properly. Here, because I am